everyone, this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I have Dom DIYs, femdom instructional content, as well as Q&As, interviews, and so much more on my channel. Go check those playlists out after this video. The sponsor of today's video is EPI Jewelry, but before we get into who they are and what they make, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, or I live stream. Go ahead and check out my 3 membership tiers here on YouTube. I have different rewards for each of them. Follow my social media at Mara Domina for daily news and juicy updates. I have a monthly newsletter that goes out through my website, dominamara.com. So sign up for that as well so that you know where I travel next and what events I get to host. Okay, so today we have EPI Jewelry. They are a luxurious jewelry company that produces stones that are actually made out of moissanite. I've actually heard about moissanite several times through my research for really fine jewelry, and I'm so excited they reached out to me to create content today. We are going to take a look at their halo ring today, how to take care of it, and what else you can find on their website. EPI is a brand that is committed to sound ethical practices and environmental responsibility. Their high-quality moissanite gemstones are created at a lab with minimal environmental impact. Each stone is marked with a unique serial number. Their gold and silver metals are from a recycled origin, and they craft each piece of jewelry as made to order. This means zero waste from overproduction, and their pieces are thoughtfully designed and considered, which makes them both timeless and durable. So what is moissanite? Moissanite is a gemstone composed of silicon carbide. It is a compound similar to a diamond in both strength and its ability to disperse light into a rainbow of colors. Due to its brilliance, fire, durability, and affordability, moissanite has become increasingly popular as a diamond alternative for engagement rings, promise rings, birthday gifts, friendship rings, anniversary gifts, etc. The jewelry ranges from earrings to bracelets to necklaces in different forms. The natural form of moissanite is very rare, which is why today moissanite is created in a laboratory. Science has been able to match and replicate the exact chemical, physical, and optical properties as naturally grown moissanite. I chose a 1.5 carat oval moissanite halo pave band ring. This ring features a dazzling oval cut moissanite centerpiece surrounded by a sparkling halo of smaller stones. The stunning central moissanite stone captures light magnificently, complemented by a delicately pave set stones along the sleek band for an eternal sparkle. By following their care instructions, you can ensure that your jewelry stays beautiful in a like-new condition for years to come. Care instructions include keeping your moissanite gemstone sparkling and beautiful in the following conditions. Wash your moissanite ring in a solution of warm water and mild dish soap. You can soak the ring for a few minutes, then use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub the stone and the setting. Rinse the ring thoroughly under warm running water to remove any soap residue. Pro tip, I have plugged the drain for the sink just so that I know that the ring won't fall into my drain while I'm cleaning it. Dry the ring with a soft lint-free cloth. The package should come with a microfiber cloth. Clean your ring every few weeks or more often if it's exposed to lotions, oils, or dirt. A helpful tip is to apply lotions, perfumes, and hairspray before putting on your ring to reduce the residue buildup on your gemstone. Obviously, try to reduce the potential knocking against hard surfaces. Remove your ring before physical activities such as heavy lifting or sports to prevent scratches. It comes in a beautiful box, so when it's not in use, store it in its original case. Note that harsh chemicals and submersion in swimming pools with high chlorine content and hot tubs is not good for your moissanite ring. Household cleaners like bleach and ammonia can damage the metal setting and should be avoided. You can also get your ring professionally cleaned and inspected by a jeweler once per year to highlight any damage to prongs and ensure that your moissanite gemstone stays protected, shiny, and safe. You can purchase sets, meaning 2 sets of rings, one for the engagement and one for the wedding rings. You can mix and match your earrings, bracelet, and necklaces. They have gifting options that are for bridal parties, as well as gifts within your budget, gifts for mom, and even gift cards. EPI Jewelry tries to make this experience experience conflict-free as much as possible with bespoke service, free shipping, 30-day returns, as well as gift packaging. They also have a lifetime warranty, so if there are any defects in the materials and craftsmanship, you can get your piece repaired or replaced free of charge. They also assure that all the stones are securely set. If a stone falls out due to a manufacturing defect, they will provide a free repair or replacement. Any issues with the integrity of the metal or finish, such as premature tarnishing or discoloration, will be repaired as well. More information can be found in the link that I have for you below. Alrighty everyone, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about EPI jewelry and moissanite stones. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post a new video or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Don't forget to follow me on my socials at Mara Domina for daily news and juicy updates, and sign up for my newsletter after joining one of my membership tiers here on YouTube. And until next time, keep it kinky everyone. The sponsor of today's video is EPI. Okay. Let's move it all. Where's the hole? Okay, I can't see. All right. I don't like how that sticks up. Damn it. Why is there a knot? Ugh. Let's do that one more time, and then I'm gonna start to get up after joining one of my membership tiers here on YouTube. All right. Fuck, I'm rusty.